Hey.
Hey, wait, man, I'm not doing anything, sir.
Hey.
Sir, I'm not doing anything, man. No, I'm not doing anything.
You want to get tased?
I'm not doing anything.
Okay, then sit your ass down.
Hey, man.
Sit your ass down right now.
Hey, man.
Get in your car, motherfucker. 261, expedite me back to Chevron at Brickyard Road. You want to get fucking shot?
No, man, I don't. Back up, please.
Come up.
Sir, just back up, please. Please don't break my car. Please don't break my car.
I'm gonna beat your fucking face.
Sir, I'm not doing anything. Somebody call the cops!
261, expedite me back.
Fuck you.
Echo 388 Tango Whiskey. He's going west. He's going north on 1100 East. Got a felony 1 warrant. Robert Ortega, 102382. Shots fired.